Tonight, we are hearing from the family of 17-year-old Lucy Fernandez. They're reacting to the George Pino not guilty verdict in the fatal boat crash trial that killed their daughter and severely injured her friend. CBS News Miami's Nakaya Carrero is your reporter at the courthouse. She spoke to an attorney about the outcome and what it means for similar cases.
The jury of 5 men and 1 woman delivered a swift not guilty verdict for George Pino after deliberating for about an hour and a half. I spoke to a defense attorney who watched the trial. He believes there was not enough evidence to match the serious charges.
As to count 1 of the information, manslaughter of Luciana Cristina Fernandez, the defendant is not guilty.
After 2 weeks of testimony, the jury found George Pino not guilty of manslaughter and not guilty of vessel homicide. Lucy Fernandez's parents released a statement that read in part, "Regardless of the outcome of this case, we hope no one walks away believing that the circumstances that led to Lucy's death were acceptable. This tragedy serves as a powerful reminder that no family should have to bury a child because of someone's thoughtless and irresponsible choices." The family said despite being disappointed in the verdict, they respect the judicial process. Former prosecutor and now defense attorney Mark Eiglarsh says there wasn't enough evidence to support the state's argument that Pino had committed culpable negligence the day he crashed into the channel marker.
Had he been, jumping waves and trying to jump over boats or doing something crazy in the water and you went, oh my goodness, what is he doing? That would be different. What he did was merely being negligent.
Eiglarsh says while the suffering of the families were prevalent, the defense was able to prove it was a tragic accident.
Courageously and properly, these jurors were able to push that sympathy aside and make a legal decision based upon the facts presented.
In their statement, the Fernandez family also thanked the prosecution team for its work and for bringing forth the charges of vessel homicide and manslaughter. In Miami, Nakaya Carrero, CBS News, Miami.